Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm very happy by your response on my videos. I hope you are learning very fast and you're enjoying the work. And for this I want to give credits to my two teachers who taught me knitting and crocheting, both from my school days. So I would like to thank my teachers, Mrs. Geeta Huddar and Mrs. Geeta Gram Purohit. Thank you both of you teachers. I'm so happy that I got you both as my teachers. Thank you so much. So let's begin today's video. I'm going to teach slip stitch and making a circle today and treble crochet. I hope you are maintaining your record book. Please update your book, what you have learned on what date. Okay, so I want to teach this flower in my next video tutorial. So for this, these two are very important. Okay, you have to learn slip stitch and making a circle and also treble crochet, which we will be using to make this flower. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I will begin today's tutorial by teaching you treble crochet. For that, chain as many number you want. I have made 12 chains. Now to begin, you have to make 3 extra chains for this. Remember, we don't count them as stitch. So next step is you have to yarn over 2 times. Okay, for double crochet we used to yarn over only 1 time, but for treble we have to take one more round of it. Now you have to insert it in the 4th chain. These are the 3 chains, 3 extra chains that we created. Skip them and insert your hook in the 4th chain and pull the yarn through the loop. Now you have 4 loops on the hook. Now you have to wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through first 2 loops. Pull through first 2 loops, 3 loops are remaining. Now again wrap the yarn around the hook, pull through the next 2 loops. Again 2 loops are remaining. One more time you have to yarn over and pull through these 2 loops. Okay, this is your first treble crochet. So repeat the same for the second one. Yarn over 2 times. Insert the hook into the chain, pull the yarn through it. We have got 4 loops. Wrap the yarn around the hook, pull through first 2 loops, wrap the yarn around the hook, pull through next 2 loops. Again wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through the remaining 2 loops. So you have created 2 treble crochets here. Okay, wrap the yarn 2 times, insert the hook, pull the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pull it through next 2 loops, pull it through the remaining 2 loops. Okay, this is the 3rd treble crochet. 4th, 5th, 6th. Don't skip any of the chains in between, it will create a gap. 'See? You can compare it with your double crochet stitches. This will be a little bit longer than them. Last 3 are remaining. See, wrap 2 times, insert the hook in the chain, pull the yarn through it, wrap and pull through 2 loops, wrap and pull through 2 loops, last wrap and pull through remaining 2 loops. Do it once again. 4 loops on the hook, 3 loops remaining, 2 loops remaining, and it's done. Right? See, this is one row of treble crochet. Now to make the second row, again you have to chain 3. Chain 3 and don't count them as stitch. Turn it, wrap the yarn 2 times and insert your hook in the 4th chain, which is nothing but the last stitch of previous row, and repeat the same thing. Continue this. I will meet you when I will be having 2 stitches remaining. Okay, so 2 stitches are remaining. Wrap the yarn 2 times around the hook, insert it in the chain space, then pull it through. Okay, see, there is one more stitch remaining. Don't skip it. You have to count how many stitches are done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so we had took 12 chains at the beginning, so we will be having 12 treble crochets. So this is the last one. Keep your stitches loose so that you can easily lift it. See, this is 2 rows of treble crochet. To begin the next row, you should again chain 3 and turn and insert your hook in the 4th chain. Continue this for as many rows you want. Okay, I have completed 4 rows of treble crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now to end your work, when you finish your last treble crochet, make a chain and cut it and just pull this yarn through, and you are done with your pattern of treble crochet. Now you can take the needle and sew this inside so that your ends don't taper around, and you can stick it in your book just like what I have done here. These are 2 rows of trebles and this is 4 rows of treble. So this is how you do a treble crochet. Now next we will see how to make slip stitch and circle. For that, again make a slip knot, make any number of chains to learn, it's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So I have made 8 chains. You can make more number of chains if you want to make a bigger circle. So this is 8 chain. Now what you have to do, without twisting the chain, you have to insert your hook in the first chain that we made. You are going to insert it here and grab the yarn. You have got 2 loops. Now you don't have to wrap the yarn and pull it. You should just pull it through the second loop. This is how you make a slip stitch which will create a circle like this. Okay, we'll do it again. To do it again, make a slip knot, make any number of chains, any number. To make a bigger circle, make more number of chains. To make a smaller one, make little. Now I have not counted how many chains it is. I am joining these two ends to create a circle. So insert the hook in the first chain, pull the yarn through it. We have two loops now. You have to pull this first loop through the second loop like this, and that's a slip stitch. It locks the circle. Okay, this is very easy. Try it. Keep your stitches loose. This is how you create a circle and a slip stitch. So this is all about today's tutorial. Again, to end this one, make a chain and cut it, pull it through, and your circle is ready. So today you learned making slip stitch and a circle and treble crochet. It's time you stick them in your book. Write the date, stick them. I taught you these two today because for your next project, that is to make this flower, you will be needing these two stitches. These two are very important to learn this. So practice these two, and we will see this in the next tutorial. Thank you.